can you actually change a lumbar lordosis? There is a way that you can actually reduce that sway going from 65 in the lordosis to 57. So from the 25th of May to the 25th of June is 1 month, and that's an 8-degree drop, roughly 2 degrees a week. We continued on from the 25th of June to the 21st of July, again, a 9-degree drop, and again, another 2 degrees per week. This person is experiencing profound health improvements. It's possible to reduce the lumbar lordosis from 65, 57 to 48. This is a 2-month program. Incidentally, his P2A, that's looking from behind to the front, scoliosis changed. No doubt there is a link between the sagittal curve and the coronal curve. Here it is in the thoracic section. Again, here it is in the lumbar section as well. Here's another person using the same technique, this time affecting their thoracic kyphosis, hunch, Scheuermann's in this region. It's going from 84 to 75 in 1 month. And again, in another gentleman here who started at 110. Now, this gentleman has actually paved the way for many others because he's been with me for 4 years. He's dropped 30 degrees. He's gone from 110 down to 80 degrees. But what we're doing in years now, we're actually achieving in weeks and months here in these 2 new clients in the clinic. So it's a very exciting development to give people ways that are non-surgical. And if you just take a look at the degree of sophistication, too complex, prone to revision surgery, and sometimes in 75% of cases, if the sacral harmony, so the lordosis and the pelvic sacral slope are not in alignment, it's very easy for more surgical procedures to unfold. Contrast that with these techniques, which don't involve surgery. And this is a very big improvement towards healthcare transformation for people with appearance disorders. Thank you for watching.